In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate a full document with Genspark. We'll start by opening Genspark and signing into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in so you have access to your workspace and any features needed for document handling. If you're working with confidential material, confirm you're on a secure connection before proceeding. Next, bring your document into Genspark. You can upload a file if you have it saved on your computer, or simply paste the content directly into the editor. Uploading is great for keeping original structure intact, especially if your document has headings, bullet lists, tables, or images with captions. Pasting is quick for plain text. Before you upload or paste, give the content a quick scan and remove any sensitive information you don't want included in the translation. Now, tell Genspark your target language. Be as specific as you can. If you need Spanish, for example, specify whether you want Latin American or Spain Spanish. For English, note whether you want US, UK, or another variant. Clear language targeting helps with spelling conventions, phrasing, and date or number formats. With the language set, ask Genspark to translate the full document clearly and accurately. You can include guidance like preserve headings and formatting, keep technical terms consistent, or maintain the same paragraph breaks. If your document includes brand names or terms you don't want translated, mention that as well. The clearer your request, the better the first result will be. Once the translation is ready, take time to review both formatting and meaning. Check that headings align with the original, lists remain lists. Tables are readable, and any hyperlinks or references still make sense. Read a few sections closely to confirm tone and intent match the source. Pay attention to numbers, dates, units, and names since those can shift subtly between languages. If anything feels off, request corrections or ask for a more natural tone. You might say, make this more conversational, adjust for a professional audience, or use consistent terminology for these key terms. If a passage sounds literal, ask for a smoother idiomatic rewrite while keeping the original meaning. Iterate until you're satisfied. Finally, copy, save, or export the translated version. You can copy to your clipboard for quick use or export to your preferred format, so layout and styling travel with the file. Give it a clear file name, store it safely, and keep your original for reference. That's it. Your document is translated and ready to share.